and I will retire with the crown. Yes.
There ain't no money to be made. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just chilling at my desk right now. I honestly don't know why. But anyways, today's gonna be a day in my life. Hopefully it doesn't carry over into like multiple days in my life like it always does. I'm very disorganized, I know. Or did I mean to say unorganized? I don't know. Anyways, today we're going to be shopping for a few things. If you watched my previous video, you'll see I got a ton of things for Christmas. And I just need a place for some of those things to go. Obviously, my Keurig can go on my counter, but I want to make its own like bar, you know. I want to be a little bougie, you know. So I'm going to go shop for some of that stuff. And we'll just see what happens, you know. I never really know. I kind of just go out and I see things and buy them. Probably not the best way to be budgeting, but I mean, it is what it is. Also, we need to take down my Christmas decor. I actually filmed a whole bunch of me putting up my Christmas tree, as you can see in the background. I never got to post it because, I don't know, it's been a crazy, hectic Christmas season, y'all. But I know it's bad luck to come into the new year with your Christmas decor still up. 2020 was bad luck enough. I'm not trying to go through that. And no, I don't really believe in it, but hey, I'm not taking no chances this year, so we're gonna take that down. Probably have to buy something for it to go in as well because I don't have a lot of storage. We'll see what happens and we'll just, you know, do that. So yeah, now we can go. Period, because the sunlight is doing me justice. So I just got back from IKEA and now I'm at Five Below. I'm about to see if I find any decor for the shelf that I got at IKEA. Ooh. The sunlight. The IKEA shelf is back here. That's why my car looks like all deformed and whatnot. So I'll let you guys know if I see anything. I'm just going for like a real chic girly vibe, so we'll see if we see anything cute in there. Hopefully so. So I just made a quick stop at the house just to drop off the shelf that I bought. In Memphis, it gets really dark, like really early. It's like 5 o'clock right now, but it's been dark for a while. I could just barely pick it up, so I really wanted to make sure I had like daylight to bring it in the house and everything. You know, at nighttime, I don't really like bringing up heavy stuff to where my hands are occupied and I can't defend myself. Hopefully I'll never need to, but you know, just in case. Now I'm gonna run to Walmart and Starbucks and then I'll come home and build everything and it's gonna be so cute. Okay, so oh shit. Okay. So I'm at Starbucks. I got a ice white mocha with the sweet cream foam and the extra caramel drizzle. I actually got whipped cream too. Maybe I'm not supposed to do that. I don't know. I like it really sweet, so hopefully it's good. I don't know what it is. I just saw it on TikTok, so. It's about 7 o'clock and I finally got home. Got my Starbucks as well. The drink is okay, like it's just a tad bit overrated. I think that my regular caramel frappuccino is a bit sweeter than this, so yeah, let's just go ahead and build the actual shelf and then I'll try to decorate it after that. So this is the top. It says you are golden and then it comes down, and I have my mugs here, my, you know, syrup and K-cups. I have it in this pink mug that I got for Christmas actually. Then on the second shelf we have this marble and gold clock, and it also has a choose happy sign here. Down here we have a coffee because adulting is hard, and then this other little, actually it's a makeup holder, but I put some more K-cups in there. Down here we have one that says less week more weekend, and then this one says you're like really pretty. So eventually I'm going to take the K-cups out and get like a K-cup holder to go down here, and then maybe put flowers in these pots and maybe like a candle or something. But as of right now, this is how it's looking. I think it's super cute. Alright y'all, it's day 2. Keeping it really natural today because I'm just running a few errands. Today's agenda is just buying a few more things and then taking down my Christmas decor. I did end up finishing editing the video that I started last night, so I'll post that in a little bit. I think the first stop I'm going to make is Dollar Tree. Okay, but really the first thing I need to do is take out all of this trash. I have a lot of trash in my house just because of Christmas. I have a lot of boxes and furniture. Like, it's ridiculous at this point, so I'm going to do that first and then we're going to head out. So I just got back from Dollar Tree. I got these paper straws. They're red, but they really look like a dark pink pretty much. So I'm going to put it on the coffee bar just for decor. I'm not going to use them. These are the flowers that I got from Dollar Tree, and I think I'm going to cut them. Here's the vase. It looks like a glass, but it's really wide, so I think it'll be cute. I'm going to put some water in it. I know they're fake plants, but I have an idea. If I add just a tad bit of this paint to it, maybe it can look pink if I mix it in with the water, and it'll look like pinkish water. I don't know. Let's try it. Okay, so I'm definitely surprised that it actually came out that good. We have pink, you guys, so now I'm just gonna go cut the flowers. Straws down here, and then I added the flowers in the middle. Then up here I just added some non-dairy creamer. So I just put on the clothes I had on yesterday because I need to take the thumbnail for yesterday's video. So I'm going to set up everything and then I'll go ahead and get that done and upload that video. I didn't really have much to do today or yesterday. I was just, I don't know, vlogging. My life's not that interesting, I'm sorry. So I got some fairy lights for Christmas, and I'm thinking about putting those in the background of the thumbnail. Thinking about taking the picture right there next to my bed and kind of setting up all my Christmas items on my bed and just being in the middle. Here are the lights, so I'm about to put those up and then, you know, we'll go ahead and take the thumbnail.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious.
So my friend Maya bought me this. I'm gonna try to put it in my hallway. There's no light in my hallway, so I think it'll be a nice pop of color. It only requires batteries. I think it'll be nice to just cut on sometimes. Just imagine it like right there. Obviously it's gonna be a lot smaller, but yeah, I want it to go there. Hello. So obviously it's a new day. I'm gonna run to IKEA to go get some counter thingies for the counter thingies. Hopefully that made sense. This is the attire for the day. So I'm back at the house. I'll show you guys everything I got from IKEA. I look a mess because I got rained on. It is what it is. So I got 2 of these Burholt shelves, and these are just floating shelves. I want to put these over my toilet just for, you know, decor in the bathroom. Also got this heart. I'm not sure what it is. I just thought it would be cute on the shelf. This is a little hourglass. I don't know how long this goes for, but it's definitely less than an hour. I got these extension cords. So it's an extension, but it's also an extra outlet. So it has 3 instead of 1. Got 4 of these to hold up the shelf. This is a little plant that I found. It was like $4, y'all. But doesn't it look like eucalyptus? It's not real, but I definitely wanted to hang it off of the shelf. And then I got this gold pot for it to go inside. I got 2 of these black side tables, and these are just going to be, you know, for the sides of my couch to go in the living room. And so I'll probably put that together today.
Reaching for stars. I wonder where you
So I just finished the bathroom, and I'm gonna go ahead and take down the Christmas decor. I have like 4 of these little tote thingies that I used to use for like my underwear and things. If you've seen my move-in vlog, you know where this is from. But now that I have a dresser and everything, I don't really have a need for them anymore. So I'm thinking I'll just put the Christmas decor in here, because I mean, I don't have that much Christmas decor. So hopefully they fit in all of these, and I can just put these in that closet. I'm about to head to my dad's house because it's my brother's birthday today, so just gonna go chill over there for a second. I think I'm gonna end the video here. So I hope you guys enjoyed everything. My weeks are pretty average, you know. I don't know, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video.